Okay, so you should be able to navigate to your spreadsheet that I've created for you. You'll be able to find it in the tab that has the green cross. I believe we've already gone through that, and that part makes enough sense. So down here, I'm trying to create the spreadsheet like you asked to make it ver- vertical and horizontal. With the tickers going down vertically and then all of the buckets going down horizontally to make it a little bit easier to export. Having a little bit of issues with that. However, trying just to make it work, it'll take some time, but I think I'll get it in a bit. As for how it is currently structured, you can see here that everything is structured horizontally, like you asked. So these functions right here are not going to be completely accurate. So I would just disregard that component of it. That being said, as far as the tickers and how to structure it, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your FinViz. You're going to create whatever stock screener that you create. You're going to click down here where it says export. You're going to click export, and that is going to create a file, an Excel file. You're going to save that Excel file and then come up here when it downloads, and you're going to click the downloaded file, and that will create the Excel file for you. You can see here that this is all of the stocks that exist. So, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click right here, this B, and it'll turn into a little down arrow. And you should highlight all of them at the same time. And what you're going to want to do is press Control C at the same time. You'll know you did it right because there will be some green lines that will be rotating around the cells. You're going to come up here and minimize it. And when you minimize it, you're going to go back to your spreadsheet. So you can see your sheet here. You're going to go to your master sheet and you're going to scroll all the way down. It might be easier just to click this little button over here, as you can see over here. And you're going to scroll all the way down to whatever it is. And you're going to click the newest cell when that's going to be right here. And you're going to press Control V at the same time. And as you can see here, everything populated here. And so you're going to want to click the ticker here. And you're going to want to right click, not left click, but right click. And you should see this menu. You're going to want to delete the row that says ticker. And then once you complete doing that, you're going to come over here to the newest empty cell next to it. And you're going to type whatever your new name is. So maybe it's like PE less than 10, let's say, or that says greater than 10, but less than 10. And you're going to want to copy the newest bucket. And by copying it, you're going to want to press Control C, as in cat. And then you're going to want to come down right below it and press Control V, as in Victor. And then what you can do is you can highlight the two cells. You'll see them highlighted and you'll see a little blue dot at the bottom. You can click and hold, left click and hold that blue dot and drag it all the way down to the new cells, all the way to the very bottom, and it will create these new cell lines for you. You can see here and at the all the way to the bottom. I'm not going to do that because I just created all of the possible tickers that are on there. I'll delete this so you don't have tickers that you don't want on there. And then you're going to go over to your final sheet, and it's going to take some time just because I think I put too many cells in there. So we'll come down here and we'll delete these that are not necessary. Okay. And once you've completed doing that, so let's say we just want to grab these cells at the top, right? We can just do that for simplicity's sake. We'll repeat that entire process that I did. But effectively, that is the end of it. You're going to want to just press Control V. You're going to want to do PE less than 10. You're going to want to copy that here, paste it there, grab the two again just so you can see it. And then there you can see it says your PE. And then over here, what we should find is your tickers at the very end the newest ones that just got created, and you can see them right there. Um, and so you can just click that, and it will automatically send you to that ticker, and just so you can see the stock chart as well. And so I believe that's everything that was asked for. Again, I am working on rebuilding it to where it's a little bit organized in the way that you like it. There's no real easy way to do what it is that you're asking for, but as of right now, what you'll be able to do is grab your entire sheet like so. Um, and so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to freeze this row so that you can see right here. And so you'll grab all the tickers here. Oh, freeze column. There you go. Grab all the tickers for your new sheets, and you'll be able to, whenever it's done, it's going to be a lot of sheets from the looks of it. Because of right now, we have about a 560, let's say. And then you'll be able to go to print when you've highlighted all of them. And then you'll be able to come up here to where it says print selected cells. And then you should be able to see all of them in this format. Again, I'm going to structure it in a way that's a little bit easier, but you can see all of the tickers vertically like that. So I believe that's all. If there's any other questions, feel free to ask, and I'd be happy to help out.